change this to harmonic minor, C harmonic minor, I'm going to raise the 7th note. And since the 7th note is currently B flat, all we need to do is take away our flat and play a B natural instead. This is C harmonic minor. To do C melodic minor, now we're going to raise our 6th note as well, so that means taking away the A flat and play an A natural instead. So now we have A natural and B natural going up, then you play the natural form of the scale going down. For the primary chords, we use the harmonic notes, harmonic minor notes, so we need our A flat back in order to play our primary chords.